just got our hands on the new Insta360 Ace Pro, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of it. We're going to talk about the camera, and then we're going to go and test it out on the mountain bike and see what this camera can do. So Insta360 have just brought this new camera out a couple of weeks ago actually. It is pretty impressive. It looks a lot more in line with other types of action cameras on the market. I've been told some very good things about this, so we'll jump straight in and we'll show you what we get inside the box. Right, let's unbox this. Ooh. Instructions. Camera. The best part about a new camera. Oh yeah. So this is our camera. Massive sensor with Leica, which is a really good industry leader when it comes to optical lenses and glass. You already know you got a good camera on your hands here with that in there. We've got a big display screen here, a huge touchscreen on the back, which is going to be amazing for vlogging. And what's even better is the fact it's actually a flip-up screen also, which makes it even better. I think all action cameras nowadays should have a flip-up screen. I think they're so useful. So what I think I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and get my mountain bike and we're going to go and test this out on the trails, because that's what you guys want to see. You want to see how good this is in the real world. So let's go and put it to test and see what this thing can do. Ready?
Yeah, buddy.
Right, let's test this camera out. See. Oh, conditions are good. Oh, all right, mate. Oh, I think we might have got some camera spotters. Right, let's test the camera out in some low light. A bit darker this one, so let's see what it looks like. It's supposed to have got some really good low light performance. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that was good. Good track, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I was very tentative because it's so sloppy.
Yeah.
But I need to ride this more.
Wait, it's steep. Oh! Christ. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Yeah. So good. Oh! Oh!
Oh! Jesus. I lost the front wheel then. Oh! Oh! So that was my first test of the Insta360 Ace Pro and fairly impressed. Want to do some more different video styles with it. I'm shooting now with the screen flipped up so I can see myself, I can frame myself, and it's actually tracking my face, which is pretty cool. It's got like a yellow square on my face so I know that I'm in focus, and I'm currently shooting on the D-Warp mode. So I'll change the settings now so you can see what the different field of views look like. So this is D-Warp. This is the setting that's called ultra wide. So this is better for a bit more outdoor sports, hiking, that sort of stuff. And then we've got action view, which is a little bit wider, which is a bit better for more like extreme sports and stuff with a lot of movement in. You can see that it's compressed slightly and it's a little bit more warped. So I don't know which one you prefer, but I'm going to go back to D-Warp for doing the vlogs. So there we are, back on the D-Warp view, so that's perfect for vlogging. Really, really interesting camera to use. Very different than the other Insta360 cameras I've played with. The Leica lens on this thing is crazy, crazy good. Like, super impressed. And another thing I'm really impressed with is the touchscreen. Massive screen for one, but it's so responsive. Like, there's no lag. Everything happens in an instant. The screen vibrates as you use it, so you know, like, it's like a feedback loop, so you can feel exactly where you're wanting to navigate on the camera. I feel it's very easy to use for a beginner, and it also has a ton of advanced features for people who want to step up their video making as a creator. So yeah, any questions on this camera so far, guys, pop in the comments. I'll make a video in response. And if you want to grab all my settings for this camera or any action camera, I'll also put a link in the description to my video settings cheat sheet, which is just a one-page plug and play guide with all my favorite settings in that you can have for free. So take care, see you in the next video.